This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you master how to make beef steaks. First, select a great cut like a ribeye or New York strip, ideally 1.5 inches thick. Pat your steak thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a beautiful crust. Then, season it generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for an incredible meal. Now, let's get that perfect sear. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat and let it get smoking hot. Add a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot skillet. Sear it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until a deep, golden brown crust forms. This creates incredible flavor and texture. After searing, reduce the heat and add a knob of butter, some crushed garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted, aromatic butter for 1 to 2 minutes. This infuses it with amazing flavor. Finally, remove the steak and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Resting is key for juicy results. Now for the best part, slicing and serving. Always slice your steak against the grain into 1/2 inch thick pieces. This ensures maximum tenderness in every bite. Arrange it beautifully on a plate with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted asparagus or creamy mashed potatoes. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, delicious beef steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.